Welcome back. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing of a new bad boy KelTec CP33 22 LR pistol. Some stickers, oops, memory card, more stickers, user manual instructions, KelTec trigger lock, one magazine, second magazine, and the KelTec itself. So this is a CP33 because it's 33 round magazine. 33 round magazine, double column, round go on each side of the magazine in the rear. Fiber optic sights. Supposed to be very accurate pistol. Can't wait to try it. Safety switch. Threaded barrel. Yep, so looking forward to using it. So we'll post some range videos and we'll put some accessories. And we will put some follow-up video on how the pistol is performing. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe, give us a like, and check out on social media on Instagram, Facebook page for more content and pictures of all the stuff we got. Thank you. Stay safe.